Congratulations on acquiring your new TELUS SmartHome Security System. This video will show you how to install your new system with the help of step-by-step instructions. Remember, if you need help with any part of this installation, simply call TELUS SmartHome Technical Support at 1-855-255-8828. Your TELUS Smart Home Installation Kit contains everything you'll need to set up your smart home security system. Let's take a look at each of the components. Your control panel, which is the brains of your system, door and window sensors, motion sensors, and depending on your package, you may have a variety of other devices. Examples include smoke sensor, CO sensor, doorbell camera, indoor camera, and key fob. To begin your installation, download the TELUS Smart Home app on a smartphone. Log in with your My TELUS credentials. If you don't remember it, you can learn how to recover it by tapping the link. Select Self-Installation and enter the control panel's IMEI number. Now you're ready to install your devices.